Welcome to our video on keto-friendly drinks. Staying hydrated is important on a keto diet, but not all drinks are created equal. We've got you covered with a guide on what to sip and what to skip. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, and black coffee to stay hydrated without adding carbs or sugar. Diet soda and sparkling water with natural flavors are also great options. However, watch out for sports drinks, energy drinks, and fruit juices which are high in sugar and carbs. And of course, alcoholic beverages can also be high in carbs, so stick to low-carb options like vodka or gin with soda water. Cheers to a keto-friendly drink menu.